Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rose. So great to see you. Today we are doing a fun project of taking something that you might throw into the trash and turning it into something super cool. So in today's Trash for Treasure, we are taking a chair that the back is broken and it has a stinky seat. And I'll explain that in a little bit. And we're also taking a box, a wooden box that was actually a sign that I didn't need, and we're turning it into a cool end table using scrap or pallet wood. And so these projects are virtually free, just using the scraps that you already have, or it could be a very low cost. So follow me and you can do it too.
Welcome to my stinky chair. It had a broken back. We cut it off, and the upholstery smells a little bit, as well as being a little dirty. It is connected to the chair by some screws, and I have taken those apart for now.
And again, if you are new here, I am Rose. I love to DIY design, decorate, make all sorts of things from woodworking to jewelry organizers to decorating to whatever I come up with. We recently started building a chicken coop and to a tractor and we have finished that, and that video will be coming shortly into what it looks like in the tour. We haven't gotten chickens yet, so I haven't decided whether I want to film it with or without the chickens yet. So stay tuned, that will be coming. But for now, we'll continue with our trash to treasure. So if you like videos of DIY and design, I encourage you to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can support more videos like this.
Okay, so you're looking at some glue on a piece of hardwood. I cut the size to fit in between the dowel rods. And now I put it in the chair and pushed it down and leveled it and pre-drilled, and we will drill through those to secure it on either side. It is important to pre-drill so you don't crack your wood.
It's a cold day here in Kansas when I am filming this video, so you can see I'm in my long sleeves. It's still fall, but man, did the temperatures go down. Can you believe later on in the week it's going to be in the 80s? Oh my goodness. So cold for today, but shorts later in the week.
Okay, the name of the game is pulling out staples. So I've been doing that thinking maybe I just had 1 or 2 layers, but I had a lot, like 4. And the more I pulled them off, the stinkier they got. I don't know. We don't have smell-o-vision, so you can't see it, but you can see the stain. I think a dog or something peed all over it, and it's gross. Now let's look at this is what was underneath that. The wood was all cracked, and it smells. It's coming apart. It's obvious that the urine did its job. So we got to fix that. So instead, I cut a piece of wood, and I'm going to secure it with screws, and it looks like this. Okay, time to make an end table. We have some 1x4s with a box. That's all it is. Pretty simple. So we have this box that says, where can I get a pair of skinny jeans? I decided I didn't need that, and I have cut some wood to size. For the height that I need for my table, I have some 1-inch screws. I have my speed square, and we are just going to simply pre-drill and screw them in with our handy dandy screwdriver, and we will make sure that it's square as we're doing so. One of the tips I have is to get your screws in ready, but not all the way in. Check for square and then screw the rest of the way in. It helps when you're woodworking because not everybody has 10 hands. So as you can see, I've done the 2 legs, and I will finish these 2 and we'll be done.
So these projects are super fun. I'm enjoying the process of making this. I am learning tips how to maybe make my table better next time. And so I have some more drawer boxes that I hope to repeat this process and make it better and better, and hopefully maybe sell a couple for some extra cash. Because I don't need endless tables. I don't know about you, but it could be a cool way for you to make money wherever you are at. So, something to think about.
So I have the table flipped right side up now, and I have all 4 legs attached. I've added bracing and took measurements and to make sure that was level, and I have used the nail gun to attach those. Now we're going to go ahead and attach a table spaced evenly, and that will create another ledge to store some more items. And we're going to paint the whole end table white. I happen to have these boards that were already primed white, so that is nice. And I will just go ahead and use my pinless nail gun to send the nails through, and that should be just fine to attach. I'm using a piece of pallet wood to use as a spacer for how far apart I would like the wood to be, and that will work just fine to keep it straight until I get it all attached. And so you can see I've shot the nails, and now I can take out the spacers or the pallet wood, and it is almost ready to go. Now it's time for painting. I got some white paint, was a primer, because some of this is fresh wood and some of it has been painted. I went over it with some wood filler to fill the spots where we had some oopses, or try to make it look smoother. That's definitely recommended. And then we are going to go ahead and paint the whole thing white. And this is what it looks like. That is the box of the inside. And then we have a wood top that I made. I blocked some wood together, and then I just sprayed a clear coat, and I'll show you that in a bit. As you can see, I started painting the chair with the new back and the new seat. That is just a piece of wood that I cut to fit, and I think it looks great. Just needs some more paint.
Thanks for watching, and I am so glad you joined me, and hopefully you made it this far to enjoy the final product of my DIY project. So I love the table. The chair's cool too. I think they could be great as like a little reading nook or something like that, or a nightstand, or an end table in your living room. There's so many options. Or if you even had a large enough bathroom, it could be like the little table by your bathtub where you sit and read books and have a relaxing time, whatever your house is like. But there's so many options, and it's versatile to make a table such like that out of a box because you have that extra storage. So we all need storage. We all have stuff and need places to put it.
Okay, you can see the final product. Check out the wood top I made. Can you believe that was pallet wood? It doesn't even look the same. All I did was take a few pieces together. I put some blocking underneath to help secure the pieces together. I applied some wood filler, sanded that, and sanded it several more times, and then applied a clear coat of Rust-Oleum spray sealer, and it looks gorgeous.
So glad you joined me. Feel free to join me for future videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.